Sophia and Mandi raced to the climbing wall. Sophia won as usual and tried to climb. "You can do it," Mandi said. "Take my hand." "Woohoo! I made it to the top," Sophia shouted. "We're the tallest kids in the park," Mandi said. "Thanks for helping me, Mandi. I couldn't do it alone." Mandi shrugged. That's what friends are for. After they finished playing, Sophia walked home past the bookstore and the grocery store. She thought and thought and thought. Her own fridge was full of milk and juice and chicken and yogurt and bread and carrots and even half a can of dog food. Mandi's fridge only had 2 tortillas and a cup of beans and a bit of cheese and a little more milk than before. Sophia didn't want to break her promise, but she couldn't help Mandi alone. Sophia told. She hoped Mandi wouldn't be mad. "I'm glad you told me," Mom said. "Let's see what we can do together." They loaded grocery bags with milk, flour, chicken, carrots, sugar, oil, and even frozen meat and vegetables. Louis pulled his package of cheesy pizza bombs out of the freezer. He thought and thought and thought some more. Then he put his cheesy pizza bombs in Mandi and Ryan's bag. "For a treat," he said. At Mandi's apartment, the moms talked. Louis and Ryan played. Sophia and Mandi ran to the park. "You broke your promise," Mandi said. "I'm sorry," Sophia said. "Are you mad?" "A promise is important," Mandi said. "You're more important," Sophia said. "I wanted you to have milk too." Mandi smiled. "Are we still friends?" Sophia asked. "Always," Mandi said. "Double always," Sophia said. "Cheesy pizza bombs!" Louis yelled. "Our moms made cheesy pizza bombs for a treat!" Sophia and Mandi raced up the stairs. Sophia slowed down so they could run together. That's what friends are for.